Welcome to the Top 5 Auto Advice. The Vane Airflow Meter, also known as a MAF, performs the same function as a MAF. It measures the amount of air entering the engine. It simply does things differently, and it's usually found on older vehicles. Inside the airflow meter is a flap or a vane. Incoming air pushes against the flap. The more air that comes in, the more it pushes against and opens the flap. The vane or flap is now linked to a variable resistor, similarly to the throttle blade shaft of the throttle position sensor. Resistances will be output by various vane positions. This will then be measured by the onboard electronics and convert it into a signal that the ECU can use. As a result, the various resistance outputs will tell the ECU how much the vane is open and how much air is entering the engine. Similarly to the MAF sensor, the airflow meter will always be near or directly after the air filter, because it performs the same function as a mass airflow sensor. The symptoms of an airflow meter failure will be similar.